What's good gang? It's your boy Salem47, your 47. Okay, so basically I don't have much to say, but I want to congratulate myself on having an exclusive co-bake at the International Talent Showcase. You know, International Talent Showcase is the biggest, not just in South Africa, but in Africa, right? So I auditioned on the 7th of November 2021, and I do very well. I got 4 years and as you can see, I show you I got a co-bake. This was my number, see 141. Okay, and it was just an amazing performance. The life loved my performance, and it was awesome. Go and watch the performance. I uploaded on the, I think 8th or something, I don't know, but I uploaded it on my YouTube channel, Salem47 Magic Show. Go and watch it now if you haven't yet. Okay, so I noticed that I'm going to audit on the 29th of September 2022. So I need you guys to be part of my journey. I need you, all of you, to be part of my journey. So in order to do that, if you're on YouTube right now, just kindly subscribe from the like kindness of your heart. Subscribe. If you're on TikTok or Instagram, follow me. I'll be doing like a magic trick every day for 365 days, 366, I don't know, right? So in order for you to see like what I'll do every day, just follow me or subscribe. Okay, if you're on Instagram, follow me so that you'll see what I'll do tomorrow. Today I'm going to show you the magic trick I'm going to do today, then follow to see what I'll do tomorrow. Okay, so for this trick we need these jokers to assist us. Let me just show you one by one. This is the red joker and this is the black joker. I don't know if you can see this, but let me maybe show something like this. You see this, right? Okay, so let me just put them here. Simple. And these cards are all different, by the way, and I can even give them a shuffle before we start. Okay, so if you were here I would tell you to say stop, maybe say stop here, I don't know. Look at your card, this one, memorize it please. Okay, and let's put it in like this, right? And maybe let's just give them a shuffle again, like use a quick one, like close it. Okay, and I'll just do something like abracadabra. You'll notice that between these cards there's a card facing down. I don't know if you can see that. Let me try to grab them like this so that you can see. Oh shit, I don't want to disturb them, guys, that's why I want to be very careful with this card. You see that, right? This card. So we need to check this card out to see if it is your card or not, right? Okay, the first one is a joker, we see that. The second one is ace. Okay, let me just see. This one's a joker, by the way. This one's a joker. Is this your card? Follow me to see what I'll do tomorrow.